What's up guys, welcome to my other tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about how to use the Quotex trading platform. I'm just going to run through some of the functions, and probably you've been trading currencies or binary options on a different broker, and now you want to use Quotex and you don't know how, where to find whatever, and now I'm going to show you that. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so if you go by the left side where there's this bell, this is where you find notifications. Maybe they want to tell you something that's going on, or maybe bonuses or whatever. That's where you find it. And then if you go to the right, there's deposit there when you want to deposit money into the trading platform so you can trade on a live account. And then here's withdrawal. Basically, this is simple stuff that almost everybody knows. All right. And then now, yeah, the asset that's reflecting here is actually the asset that I've opened on the platform. All right. And then since we're trading on an expiration time, when you're trading binary options, this is where you actually set your expiration time. And one good thing about Quotex is that you can actually trade even on a 10 seconds expiration time if you want to. Maybe you're that trader who's very fast, you know how to read the market very fast, and you want to execute your trades within a very short expiration time. Using Quotex, you can do that. All right. And then if you go below investment, this is where you actually highlight how much you want to place in a trade. All right. So like right now, I've been trading like $100 per trade. Every trade that I was trading, it was $100. All right. So when I just type here $100, it's just gonna show me how much are you gonna get from that $100. If you go here where it says your payout, it shows that I'm gonna get 188. That means that I've made $88 profit. If I execute this trade, that's what I'm gonna make actually. And then the reason for that is because if you follow here where it says this asset is paying 88%. So for $100, I'm gonna get 88% profit. So that's why it's written here, your payout 188. And then this button right here, that's our buy button, and this one is our sell button. All right. So okay, the buy button, basically we're saying to a beginner, if you anticipating that the price is gonna go up, this is where you go. All right. And then down is sell. All right. And then if you come here, trades is going to show you the history of the trades that you have executed before. As you can see, like I was saying, I've been placing trades of $100. So for this $100, I made 175. All right. And then if you go down a little bit, I just placed a couple of trades that were just winning trades. $100 again, 175. $100 again, 175. All right. So basically that's it. And then if you go to the left, all right, we're going to see that, okay, yeah, like I said, this is where you select all the assets. Let's say you want to change from this asset to another asset. You just come down here, and we have currencies. You can move from currencies to maybe commodities, silver, gold. You can move to stocks. You can actually buy options and sell options on the stock market. All right. So as you can see here, there's Nasdaq, S&P 500. All right. McDonald's, Facebook. All right. And then maybe you want to trade. You want to analyze a lot of assets at the same time, and then you can add. Yeah. So right there we have AUD, CHF, OTC. I can add Euro, CHF, OTC again. I could add another, maybe a stock, Johnson and Johnson. All right. And maybe I want to move from this asset to another and just check what's going on in another asset and execute my trades. All right. So basically there's that. And also there's this other thing, like people say when I'm using this broker, I don't think that the price is moving the same as other brokers. Just check that you're not on an OTC market, because this market, OTC, is actually over the counter. All right, so basically, if you go down here, you will see that there is the same, maybe the same asset that you see over the counter. You're gonna see it where it's not over the counter. All right, and probably maybe this Euro JPY, if you're gonna open this asset and then maybe open another trading platform, or maybe a platform which you use to analyze the markets, you're just gonna see that if you open it, the price is just gonna be moving the same. All right, so basically that's that. So just check whether you're on an OTC market or something different. All right, so let's go down. Yeah, this is where you find the tools. All right, the tools to use. All right, so we have the horizontal line, extended line. All right, actually this is where you can find all those trend lines and a couple of tools. All right, there's so many tools actually, as you can see. We can go through all of them. All right, and then yeah, where it says 1 minute right here, this is where you set actually the candlestick time frame. All right, so basically right now our candlesticks, these are 1 minute candlesticks. All right, and these are 1 minute candlesticks. You can actually change them to maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes, 10 seconds, whichever that you want. If you change the time frame for the candlesticks, it doesn't mean that the expiration time changes. All right, so you can actually have an expiration time here, like here already we had put on 10 seconds, but still the candlestick time frame is still 1 minute. Sorry. All right, and then if you go down, this is where you're going to find the graphical representation, the price representation. This is the area chart, candlestick chart pattern. This is what we use in the bars, the A and ash. Some of these things I never use them. I love the candlesticks. All right, and then if you go down, this is where you're going to find the indicators. All right, indicators, they just help us with our technical analysis. All right, so you have a lot of indicators actually in Quotex, and this is the moving averages, parabolic size, zigzag, and everyone's got their own favorite. You can check out some of my videos where I use different indicators, you know. And there is this other thing that some of my students been asking me: how do you deal with that actually when you're using Quotex? All right, if you notice, most of the times when you go back in the market, like maybe you want a back test, like you just want to see what has been happening maybe an hour before or something like that. All right, did you see what happened? The platform itself is automated to, I mean, like, to bring you back to the current price. All right, like we were trying to go back, but then all of a sudden it comes back to the current price. All right, so this is what you do to avoid that. You go here on the settings, you go on auto scroll, and then you disable that. When you disable auto scroll, this is what's going to happen. You can actually go back in the market now and really see what has been happening in the market, and the platform is not going to auto scroll and bring you back to the current price. You can actually go back as far as you want. All right, and then when you want to go back to the current price so fast, just go click this arrow, boom, you're back on the current price. All right, and now you can check my background is white. Probably you might say, are we using the same platform or not? You just go on settings again, and then I love using the light mode, because whenever you create a new account, most of the time it's just going to be some sort of blue background, a pretty dark background. I love a background that's white, and then my candles green and red. All right, so it's just you playing around with the platform. All right, so from then on we have the help. Yeah, all right, maybe you're having challenges or just want to ask a question. All right, just go on, click on the help, and the support team is going to help you out. All right. So basically, guys, just let me know maybe from the comments if there's anything else that you want to know on how to use the trading platform. All right. And I don't think I left something else. I think I've mentioned almost all the very important things that I was supposed to show you guys. I love you so much, guys. It's Palm from Trading with Palm. Have a beautiful trading week. All right, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that whenever I release a video, you get notified. All right, go through some of my videos where I talk about some trading strategies. As you can see, I was showing you like a couple of trades, consecutive trades that were winning. So just check out some of my videos where I talk about trading strategies. All right, and okay, one thing before I go, I'm just realizing that I didn't mention something. Quotex is actually available. They're offering services in so many countries, all right, than some other binary options brokers, all right. So I remember there's a broker that shut down services in other countries, but Quotex is actually in so many countries, Europe and in Africa, all right, and Asia as well. So that's one advantage. You move from this country to that country, and then you're just gonna be able to access the trading platform. All right, and basically that's it, guys. Love you so much.